Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and I got an 18-inch wheel here for a Z1, KZ900, or H2. Now, we got a little wear here on the drum. There's a little ridge right here. It's pretty smooth right here. It ain't bad. Not perfect, but be great for an everyday rider. If you didn't have a wheel on a bike or something, it'd be great. I'm going to show you how it spins. It's not bent. It's really good for an everyday rider. Genuine rim, genuine spokes. Okay, so if we go a little further into it, it says Kawasaki 2.15 by 18 5G rim made in Japan. So this is a genuine rim, and as I said, if you don't have a wheel at all, or you're just building a nice roller or something, this is the correct rim, as it's got the rim block holes and everything in it, and it's not all gooned up, and you could actually relace it, and it'd be pretty cool. All right, well, thanks for looking, and you got a good wheel here.